saying you would drive this sucker every day?
Every single day.
Hooked up to a 53-foot reefer? No!
Or a flatbed.
That'd be a tough job right there. Yeah, she's definitely a beauty, but to actually get it hooked up to whatever trailer, especially a 53-foot long trailer, and drive it around here up like we are in by Pulaski Skyway. If anybody knows The Sopranos, that's where they used to film. There's a Skyway diner on the other side of the road. They used to film down there as well. It's a very popular location here for The Sopranos. But anyways, we're out here with the Dominguez and Martinez truck, taking it out for a little spin, seeing what she's got inside and out. But yeah, definitely, I mean, it's a beautiful truck, but to drive it around every single day, you know, out there hustling, making a dollar, hooked up to a 53-foot trailer, it's tough, man. It ain't easy. Definitely not easy. It's funny how there's so many people out there asking, you know, how do you drive a semi truck that is so low to the ground, up in the front and out in the back? How do you handle it? Simple. I mean, in this case, you just press the button and you go down. And he's got it hooked up differently. Usually, like on my 379, I got a separate button as opposed to this one here, but he doesn't have the fifth wheel slider, so he has it like that. But that's it, simple like that. You can still, and then up you go. And unlike on mine, like he's got one button to go up, and then you hit it on the other side and it goes down. On mine, I got two valves. So the right side can go higher and the low side can stay low, and vice versa. You know what I mean? On this one, there's only one. And on mine, you can actually go up as much as you want and stop. As opposed to this one, you can go only up or down. That's it. Which is, I guess, good in some instances. It depends what you like. But yeah, even the stitch game on this piece of product is nice. Look. We missing a chair. Let's go to two little trucks up. Come on. Who's gonna be the driver?
You the driver.
No, I'll drive it around the parking lot. Not here. Not going to the truck stop. Back this baby. I can still hear the stacks. When you Jake brakes on him, sounds pretty good. Well, that's you. Oh, there we go. Your window was open. You can still hear it. Oh, it's you! Oh, shiznit. And look at that line that we got to go into the port. Welcome to the Port of Newark. We're gonna set up, and my boy here, he wants more photos. He's a photographer, so he's good looking for good places like here. He's trying to get the ports, the cranes. Should be some good pictures. Come on, driver, don't get lost now. Yeah, quite a different scenery here down at PNCT Ports, which is Port of Newark, New Jersey. Well, this is New Jersey, but they call it Port of New York. I got my buddy here, a long time car holder for the past 25 years, doing over the road, hardcore, right? Are you?
Oh yeah.
No, legitimately. Do you even have a CDL or no?
Yes.
Oh yes.
Classic.
Of course. Yes, he does. 25 years, no.
8.
8 years, yeah, 8 years trucking, and now just a photographer, doing photography 24 hours a day. He goes to shows. How many shows you go to a year, roughly?
10.
10 truck shows a year. How many truck shows you gonna go to this year?
I'm gonna try for 15.
Oh really? I thought you're not doing 25.
I don't know. We'll see.
Well, I'll be doing 24 truck shows. No, 25 truck shows this year. So wish me luck. Yeah, let me get out of here because my shadow's in the way. That should work, right?
Should work.
I know. If they're gonna, well, what are they gonna do? Kick us out, right?
You're locked up.
Well, I guess a picture or two is worth it. So let's do this and get out of here. There we go. Let's see what it takes to make this baby move. Hey Martinez, when was the last time you washed it?
Like 4 months ago.
And look how pretty it looks. Like 4 months of not washing it. It looks dirty, but it doesn't look so bad. Yeah, let's check out on the other side. See how dirty that side is. Yeah, we kind of got it dirty today, but hey, we drove a few miles on this nasty northern New Jersey, Kearney, Newark, Elizabeth. So no surprises there. Your fast diesel fuel systems. It's got the best of the best. Yeah, with the airbags all down. See the bumper, how low that is? Nice. Beautiful.
Y el cuadro del coñazo se cayó. Porque es que cuando el
Yeah, everything PDI. The whole turbo. And this is done by Dynaflex. I'll see you.
Alright. See you at
Have a good one. Martinez. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, man. Thank you for letting me drive your truck.
see you, man.
Yeah, it's time to get out of here. Go home. Anyway, thank you. I'll see you on the next one. Whatever that is.